Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So recently in my community post I had announced about Python live sessions in collaboration with ineuron team, and it is completely for free. This is a part of the initiative that we have started to give back to the data science community, and all these sessions will be completely free. It will also be there for 6 weeks. I hope many people have actually registered by seeing that particular community post, but if you have not yet registered, the link will be given in the description of this particular video. Why this particular session is important, guys? Because we are just not taking basics Python. We are including databases like MongoDB. We are using frameworks like Flask frameworks where we'll be developing completely from scratch, and then we'll also be doing the deployment. So the end-to-end whole Python project implementation will also be shown over there. And one more thing, in my previous video I had also told about Tableau and Power BI live sessions, and we got a wonderful response. There were so many people who had actually registered for that, and they were waiting for the dashboard access. So yesterday night the dashboard access for all of you have been actually sent. Yes, probably some people are not able to find the mail. What I have actually heard, just go and check in your spam folder, in your email ID, right, in your email address. Just go and search with the subject called as Canvas, CANVAS, and once you will be able to see over there, you will be able to see that particular mail. But still, if you have not got, just wait till today or till tomorrow. Anyhow, the sessions is going to start from April 27th, right? So just give a time for 1 or 2 days, and then you'll also be getting the dashboard access. Now regarding this Python session, guys, it will be important because it will be started completely from scratch, and will be also going to the advanced stage. And this particular training is provided by ineuron with collaboration with ineuron as a part of our initiative to give back to the data science community. So make sure that you register for this particular course, and all the information is given in the description of this particular video. There will be a link where you can actually go and click, and you can actually register yourself. And even for Python dashboard, whoever had registered for my community post, by seeing my community post, they probably may have got the dashboard access yesterday night itself. Okay, so please make sure that you join that particular batch also, and it will also be starting from April 27th. All the timings, everything will be given in the link of that particular in the description itself. So if you just go to that particular web page, all the timings regarding the batch, everything will be shown in front of you, displayed in front of you. So please do utilize this particular opportunity, and yes, have a great day ahead, and make sure that you keep on learning during this particular difficult times. And yes, this was all about this particular video. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.